Hi, I'm Matt with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at the bin thermistor on this Whirlpool freestanding ice maker. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools before you begin this repair: a 1/4-inch nut driver. A defective bin thermistor will typically cause the service light to blink twice in 2-second intervals. It will normally shut down the operation of the ice maker. The bin thermistor can be tested. It should read approximately 10,000 ohms at 77 degrees. Now we've removed the ice bin door just for video purposes, but the next step we're going to take here is removing the 2 1/4-inch screws for the cutting grid cover. And then you can just go ahead and grab the cover and pull it off. To remove the cutting grid, we're going to first disconnect the Molex connector here. And then we're going to remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that are holding the bracket in place. Now with the screws removed, you can just go ahead and slide the grid right out. Just want to be careful that you're not going to catch on your bin thermostat wiring that's on the side of the cabinet here. Now with the cutting grid removed, we can access the bin thermistor. Just going to disconnect the Molex. Remove our 1 screw here for the strap. Go ahead and pull the thermistor out. Now we can go ahead and install our new bin thermistor. I'm going to start by connecting the Molex plug. And putting our 1/4-inch screw into the mounting strap. And basically when you're installing your cutting grid, just want to be careful that you don't pinch the wiring that's coming up the side here. Next, we'll reinstall the cutting grid. Gonna basically put it up in the track. You want to just be careful of your bin thermistor harness and the evaporator thermistor harness. You want to make sure that it's not going to catch on either of those. Slide it up in there. And we can go ahead and install the connector. And we're going to go ahead and put our 2 1/4-inch screws in on each side. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the grid cutter cover. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our cutting grid cover. Just want to make sure that your wire here doesn't get pinched. And that will complete the repair on the Whirlpool freestanding ice maker. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.